Isaiah. Isaiah chapter 27, verse 6. He shall cause them that come of Jacob to take root. Israel shall blossom and buds and bud and fill the face of the whole world with fruit. I'd like to give all prayers and honor and glory to Yahawah Shemel, Shah Ba'Shem Kakodash. Dawadi Yahawah Shemel, Shah, for giving us the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone who deserve double honors, rightfully so. Shalom to the Akim, pushing the word of sincerity and truth, and being faith-based and being prepared for what is to come. And what is to come. Race wars, famine, concentration camps, the Alpha Egypt, which the mark of the beast. 200 million missiles hitting the soils of America. Simultaneously, the chariots of the Lord lift up the whole front into the chambers. Simultaneously, the chariots of the Lord shooting laser beams at the ungodly and the heathens. Rightfully so. Hey, I'll wrap this out to the course of this video. And, guide me, just rolling in the spirit. Time is 5:26 a.m. in the morning. Getting my mind right to get ready to go to this presentation. Get through this week. And I read this verse because it was a precept for Isaiah chapter 14, verse 1. It stuck out to me, and I was like, wow. Okay, got it. As you see the title of this video, we're gonna go into the title of the video. It's just a title that hopefully it manifests itself for evidence of who the Lord is dealing with. It says Yahawah, merciful restoration of Israel. All right, let's see if I pronounce this word right. It said restoration, right? Restoration. Let's see. That was just sheesh.
Restoration.
Restoration, right? So let's go into the word restoration real fast. I just read the meaning of it. Alright, let's see it again. Cause his phone I'm working through, it's not doing this it's doing this thing that I hate it does right now or something. Alright. It says restoration, right? It says the action of returning something to a former owner, place, or condition. So, what's about to happen is just the restoration. Because the action of Yahweh Shemel Shah is going to return his people back to where they belong. And we just named who the Lord it says is going to make blossom. All right, let's read this again. Just to get oh wow. This to make it more clearer. Okay, Slovakia. All right. Isaiah chapter 27, verse 6. He shall cause them that came of Jacob to take root. All right, we passed that word, to take root. All right, let's go into that word. All right, it says Shara H83:27. Sharash, right? Sharash. To uproot, to take root, to deal with the roots. The Lord's gonna be dealing with the because after this, the elect is gonna be when 144,000 men become the superheroes, and in the 1/3 all linked up together. That's the roots. Planet. Everything is already. That's already. It's it. But right now he's dealing with the roots. Right? He's guiding them to perfection. There's no way of going around it. To take root up, to root out, right? To be rooted up or out. Oh, in this case, we're being rooted in. In this case, we're being rooted in. To take root. I didn't even think about this word. Sharash. Alright? And that's what's happening. He should cause them that came of Jacob to take root. Israel shall blossom. I don't think what the word blossom. Alright? Let's see. I'm sure I pronounced it right. Just don't like it. Let's see.
Blossom.
Alright. Let's go. Alright. It says blossom. 86692. Tazarai. Let me see. Yeah, it sounds like that might be it. Ta-wa-I. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me see something. One second. Yeah, no. Taz. Wait, Tazaya. Tazara. Wa Tazara. Those are the characters. Yeah. Tazara. Wa Tazara. Tazara. So, Tazara. Watazara. Salakia. So that's how, those are the characters. Salakia if I pronounce that wrong. It says to blossom, shine, sparkle, flourish. Alright, so how you say the nation of Israel is going to flourish. The Israelites is going to the word to Yasharallah means Prince of the Power. Alright, flourish, to shine, gleam, blossom, put forth. The Lord's gonna put us forth to produce. So that's blossom. So he should take root of Jacob. Salakia. He should come. He shall cause them to take that come of Jacob to take root. Israel shall blossom and bud and fill the face of the world with fruit. Alright, they're gonna fill the world with fruit, man. I'm one of those superheroes. You know? Alright, that was okay. Let's read this one. Wow. Zechariah chapter 1 verse 17. Cry yet, saying, thus say the Lord Yahweh Shah of hosts, my city through Salakia. Salakia. Cry yet, saying, thus say the Lord Yahweh Shah of hosts, my city, though through prosperity, yet shall yet be spread abroad, and the Lord shall yet comfort Zion, shall yet choose Jerusalem. All right, he's about to be about to make it happen. He's going to choose us, man. It's happening. But he already chose. We've been chosen from the beginning of the foundation. It's just and I emphasize this, right? because it's a learning process. After you learn the scriptures and you've been taught well by the great men, and that's through the spirit of Yahawah, you see like, wow, oh, okay, this is what we've been doing wrong. So if we correct these things, he will see us repenting to him, feeling sorry for all our things we've done. And he said, okay, give him some more arsenal and more ammunition so he can go out there in the battlefield for me. And the ammunition is the understanding of the scriptures, the wisdom, right? And the knowledge, right? So, through this prosperity, we're growing, man. Hey, I was just watching this, because we could have been doing other things, right? It's worldly things, trying to be a rapper, trying to be a worldly kind of guy, and then not paying attention to this, and then we were caught up with the rest. But when we was at camp, um, um, our refuge has been these words and the scriptures, these precepts, the understanding, being guided every day, every time we at camp, and we're not in the world, we're not doing worldly things, we gain more a force field around us. Sometimes we got to go to work. You don't. Some things you can't control, like, oh, I got to go to work. And that's your day to work. You got to do what you got to do, because we still got to do worldly things, as in maintain ourselves while we're here. But he's going to spread us, man. It's happening already. Like this is, we being unrooted spiritually right now. We have our Shemel Shah. Salaki. Okay. Restoration, right? This just brought it back, because the word again means you already did it already. Alright? Zechariah chapter 2, verse 12. Let me see something, Salaki. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, Zechariah chapter 2, verse 12. And the Lord shall inherit Judah, his portion in the holy city, in the holy land, and shall choose Jerusalem again. He's gonna choose us again. That means whoever's there is not it, man. He didn't choose you. He didn't put you there. You put yourself there, and that's called slandering. It's slandering the name of the perfection. That's what you did. The Lord's not playing around with you, man. He's gonna deal with you in righteousness. But yeah, I was just thinking about this one here, and let me see if I can find another one. No verse here. Oh, it's a verse I was just thinking about. I can't remember. I know where it's at, but I just can't get to it. Can't get to the verse. Salaki. Alright, let me see what else we can get here. Just the icing the cake. Alright. Here, we're going to end with this one. Psalm chapter 98, verse 3. He has remembered his mercy and his truth towards the house of Israel. All the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our power. And they're about to, this is a future verse, man. You're going to scoop up the elect up in those scoopies, man. And I was just watching a brother video. He had a little video he put in a group, and it was like, look at all those chariots. We'll about it in a minute, in a moment. In a twinkle of an eye, we're going to be changed. Ooh, a great change. Hey, something to look forward to, something to hope for. I remember with this one. Psalm chapter 102, verse 13. Who would have knew? Who saw this coming? I didn't see this coming. Wow. Thou shalt arise and have mercy upon Zion, for the time to favor her, yea, the set time is come. I'd like to give all prayers and honor and glory to Yahawah Shem Yahushua, Ba'ashem Kakodash. The water Yahawah Shem Yahushua, forgiveness of apostles and the elders of great millstone. Shalom to the Hakim. Shalom. Wa Abba Abo.